everybody, thanks for watching and welcome to the world's messiest workbench. To be fair, I am moving and combining the new stuff here, so it's a mess right now until I get it all straight. What I'm going to show you today is how to get a stuck hand grip off a vintage bike. I'm parting out this really cool early 60s Schwinn twin tandem bike, and it came with this really cool set of white hand grips that I want to pull off, but I don't want to twist them or ruin them, so I'm going to use a vise and I'm going to pad it. Let me put this on a tripod, the camera, and we'll get to work. Alright, nothing cosmic here. I'm going to open up the vise pretty wide. I've got a pair of clean, thick leather gloves. They're kind of a suede, so I'm going to put the suede on the inside and place the handlebars in there. And I'm not going to over tighten this because it's got a tube frame on the center, so we're just going to slowly tighten this. Make sure it's between. Not too tight. And I'm going to move the camera so you can see here. Alright, you can see the hand grip right there. I'm going to grab up here and pull this over. Let's do it here. The sunlight from the giant dog door is messing it up. I'm going to pull the handlebar up here so I got all the torque. And I don't want the hand grip to move. Here we go. Okay, the hand grip is staying still and the handlebar is moving. So it moved a little bit. I'm going to undo it. See if I broke the grip on it. Alright, once you get the grip broken, you can just work it off by hand. Once it's free, just twist and kind of pull down at the same time. And there you go. Half an inch more, come on. The grip, although dirty, is intact. Soak that, hit it with a magic eraser, and the handlebar itself is intact. So you can give this to a new collector or redo it if you want, but that's how you take it off a stuck hand grip. Thanks for watching.